Alright, so check this out. We're ordering coffee right now from McDonald's, Uber Eats. You know, I'm probably gonna need sausage burrito again because you know the $1.37. Pretty nice. Don't tell me that they're giving you a coffee for 42 cents, right? I don't think so. That's weird. I've never seen that before. So, you know, 9:02 a.m. You know, I had this notepad with me. I write all my goals in this notepad. All right, what do we got? So far I only wrote 2 things down. You can get a shot of this. You get a shot of all these pages that I'm gonna cover out. I'm gonna cover out something. Yeah, but read all look at all of that. So I got pages of this stuff, man. And this is not my only notebook. I got tons of notebooks, okay? Alright? Just to show you guys that this is really what goes on, you know? You hear a lot of people talking about, you know, goal setting, but, you know, I'm actually doing it. You know, I'm not talking about it. I actually write my goals down in this notebook, so. Alright, well, I've
got 2 advances right now, and I gotta wait a while and get those paid down.
Well, obviously you made an investment into your business and got a return.
Oh, absolutely, yes.
Well, if I was able to get you additional capital at rates and terms that make sense, how much capital could you put to use to expand your business?
Well, like I said, right now at this moment, I'm going to wait, and I want to eliminate those 2. One's almost paid off. I think both of them are almost done, so I don't really want to stack on anything more right now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the reason why I'm calling you. It's because you're about to be ready for renewal. So what a renewal is it gives you access to additional capital without increasing your payments. It's going to keep you at the same or lower. We could even lower your payments to a more comfortable payment schedule, and we give you additional capital on top of that.
I see.
So I mean,
Well, this isn't Josh, is it?
this isn't Josh, yeah.
Right.
So, I mean, I know that. What's the one problem that you wish you could solve in your business today?
I've got a lot of problems today, but I've been dealing with Josh over there at Thunder Hunt, so I kind of got to stick with him. You know what I mean, Dave?
Yeah, absolutely. I work very closely with Josh.
Okay, good.
Can you forward me your bank statements, and I'll make sure that Josh gets them?
I can do that.
Okay, great. I'll send you an email. Where is it? That's you?
Yes,
Okay, great. When can you get this together for me?
I'll get him right away.
Okay, great. I'll be on standby. I'll talk to you soon, man.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thanks. Take care. Alright, you see, that's how you do it. Very simple, very clean cut. Okay, I didn't beat around the bush. Got right to it. Come on, man. You need the money. I know you need this money. Let's get it done, man. We're gonna get that guy funded very soon.
Yeah, I can hear you now. All right, so I did get your message yesterday. So what did I get approved for?
Great. So I spoke with my lenders.
Yeah.
I just had you open. 1 second. Alright, so I spoke with my lenders, and they told me about how we have low monthly revenue, no room for funding, low volume, which is a combination of the revenue plus the amount of deposits that you make every month.
Yeah.
And so we definitely had a lot of hurdles when trying to get you offers for funding. This is what underwriting looks at when trying to get you unsecured capital. They weren't confident that not confident merchant can handle payments and just a deposit volume. But with that being said, underwriting likes the business. I was able to get you approved for our starter program. It's
Yeah.
for $2,500. Could you use $2,500 to help you meet your business goals?
No, not at this time. I need more capital because I need to purchase more inventory and I need to purchase equipment. So I can just wait. You know, that's not enough for me to be able to expand my business right now. And I told you up front, my slower months are January through May, and then June, July, and August are my peak season sales months where, you know, the bulk of my deposits are in the account. So it's okay, I can wait. $2,500 is not enough, I'm sorry.
Look, you told me that you could use the capital for inventory, right? And that.
I know, but my pallets are $5,000. They start at $5,000. My pallets of product.
Okay. Well, you told me that you could use the capital right away, right?
Yes, but that's not enough capital.
Okay. Well, I mean,
That's only $2,500. That only even covers half, and I'm expecting deposits this week. So, no, I mean that's just not enough. Sorry.
well, I mean, Mary Kate, could you use the capital? That way we can start a relationship, and once we build a positive payment history, we'll be able to improve the terms or get you more capital, if it makes sense. So we can get you to 20.
How would that work? Because you're offering me $2,500 at what cost to me? How much interest?
So in order to put the 2,500 to work today, you would be looking at about $49 a day, and that's Monday through Friday, no holidays or weekends. I'm assuming obviously you could handle the $49 a day to put the 2,500 to work today.
I'm sorry, $49 in interest a day?
Well, that's just the payment. So $49 a day in order to put the 2,500 unsecured capital to work today.
Okay, but you're not answering my question. What would the interest rate be on that $2,500? That's what's important.
So what matters is not the rate. What matters is the term, right? Because if I told you I was going to give you $1 million on 100% interest, but you can pay me back within 100 years, obviously I'm exaggerating here, but you get the picture. The term is what matters. And if you can make, I mean, if you can make $49 a day, then at that point it's a no-brainer because you're going to be expanding your business. You're going to be making the payments. At that point, it's basically free money, right? We're basically giving you free money.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much for all your help. I'm going to decline on the offer. Thank you so much.
Well, look, Mary, what exactly are you going to do to solve this issue?
What issue?
To get your inventory?
I told you, I'm going to collect on my sales. That's what I'm going to do. I have $14,000 in sales. I'm going to collect that money. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to buy my products that way.
Okay. Well, what if I was able to line up more capital? Would that make it work for you if I was able to line up additional capital?
I don't know how you're going to do that, but honestly, the terms that you're giving me, $49 a day, $245 a week repayment plan does not help me either. So it's fine, Dave. You know what? It's fine. I'm sure you have other people you can work with. I'm just going to wait till my business grows a little bit more, and I'll just grow it a little bit at a time. That's all. I thank you for your time.
I don't know what you were expecting. I mean, what's it going to take for us to do business today?
It's not. It's not going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Thank you.
You're tough. You're tough. Well, all right. So I mean, look. Like I'm never gonna say no to anybody. I'm never gonna try not have to help anybody. But man, like, come on, man. You know as well as I do, man. You're not kidding there, bro. You're getting a $2,500 offer, man. I don't know what I could do for you, man. All right, she didn't want the deal, but the people always need money, right? So I'm gonna follow up with her later, and we're gonna get it done. You see, alright, so we just had that lady reject me, man. It ain't no big deal, man. What you guys need to know is that there's gonna be tons of people that are gonna reject you, alright? Some will, some won't, so what? Next! Bill! Bill, I'm gonna come to your house, bro. You're calling my company? You're not talking to me? I'm coming to your house. Bill, I'm coming to your house right now. I'm coming to meet you. I'm gonna meet you outside your house, okay? Alright guys, if you made it through to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Okay, that was just a little excerpt of my day. You know, I included the rejections in there. There was the guy at the end, you know, he butt dialed me. So that's I don't normally talk to people like that. I knew he wasn't on he couldn't hear me, so that's why I was like that. And you know, it's just a small part. I'm probably gonna upload a part 2, which is happens in the same day. And like I said, I included all the rejections in there, so you know, you can see everything. And I just want to ask you guys to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed, if you want to see more of this, and leave a subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Because at 10,000 subs, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do a little boat ride thing where I'm gonna take you guys out on a boat. So we're gonna do our first event for the YouTubes. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned. Thanks.